Hi everyone, this is my son Nicholas, and he's been very agreeable to help out with this video today. I'm starting our core boot camp. Woo! Aren't you excited? Mm-hmm. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is work on leg lifts. So what you're going to do is you're gonna put one hand on the couch. You can put your hand on the couch. We're gonna lift one leg up while you're holding on, but lift it nice and slowly. So up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't let it touch all the way to the floor though. I should have told you that. So we're gonna come up slow and down slow, but don't let it touch, and come back up and down. You're gonna do that for a bunch of times, okay? And then you're gonna switch and do your other leg. So if we were doing this, he would turn around, and now he would do his other leg. But you could hang on and do the other leg by standing this way too. Okay, so those are called our leg lifts. So we're gonna do alternating legs. The key is making sure you go nice and slow and not to touch your foot down. If it's starting to get easy, you can try just using a fingertip maybe rather than your whole hand to hold on. Or if you're really trying to get crafty, make sure you're safe, but you can also just try hands on your hips, coming up and down. That's a pretty big balance challenge though, so it's okay to hold on. Okay, so that's our leg lifts. The next one I want to show you is hands and knees. So Nicholas, you come down on your hands and knees. And we are going to do a couple different things. So one thing I'm going to do is find a stuffed animal in the house. Make yourself a little bit more of a tabletop. So scoot these up a little bit. There you go. And we're going to work on keeping a nice tabletop. You scoot up a little bit more, bring your hands up, and then bring your knees up a little bit. That way I can videotape you. I'm going to give you a stuffed animal on your back. The trick is making sure he doesn't fall off, okay? So we're going to lift your right, just start with lifting your right arm up and out like you're going into a Superman, up and out, and come back down. And now your left hand, up and down. And now we're going to try right arm with left leg, coming out, both of them out together, and come back down, and alternate. Now this. So it's a little tricky, something to try and coordinate. Be patient with yourself. We're learning something new here, so you can try all those different options. The arm and leg together might be something that you get to in a couple weeks, but for now, if you can just target the arms going out and alternating. Lulu's coming to go under the bridge. And then just making sure that, Nicholas, I'm just gonna have you show what it would look like if you were kind of dropping. So if you were to drop and let your belly kind of, we don't wanna see their bellies really sagging. So if it is, just kind of maybe give a hand support here under the belly. Okay, so that's that one. Now we're gonna work on crab walks. And this is something we've done at school. So you're gonna sit on your bottom, and you're gonna use your hands. Your fingertips are gonna point forward towards your toes, and you're gonna lift your butt up off the floor, and we're gonna just walk forward. So you could like set a challenge, let's make a circle around the room, but the key is making sure that the bottom stays off the ground. Oh, it's gonna steal your toy. And then I have a couple more things to show you, okay? One is called Superman. So Nicholas, I'm gonna have you lay on your tummy, and I'm gonna, you're going to lift your legs and your arms up and out at the same time. So see if you can lift them up and out. Lulu's apparently trying to be the star of the video. Lift them up and out, and hold 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. Take a break. We're gonna do it again. Up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. And if that's too hard, you can help hold here. Now just try it by lifting your arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. Okay, one more thing. Come up on your hands and knees. Lulu, stop it. So we're all doing a lot of laundry these days, and I imagine you have quite a few pairs of socks. So what we're going to do is I'm going to have you get on your hands and knees again and scoot back a little bit. So I'm going to place some socks around Nicholas here, and what he's going to do is he's going to grab one with one hand and reach all the way to get it in the laundry basket and drop it. And then I'm going to try and change it up on him by moving the laundry basket. So again, grab another one, buddy. And I'm going to move it. The key is making sure they lift the arm up and drop it in and not just a toss. You can practice tossing too, but we're going to get a little bit more exercise out of it or benefit out of it by kind of holding the arm up and dropping in. All right, thanks for being a good sport. We're all done.